Hi, Diana Larson here, author of Agile Retrospectives, Making Good Teams Great, Liftoff, Start and Sustain Successful Agile Teams, 5 Rules for Accelerated Learning, and the Agile Fluency Model, a brief guide for success with Agile. I'm trying out this video LinkedIn thing. People keep telling me it's what all the cool kids are doing, and so I'm trying it out. And this is my first time. So if you've got any tips for me on how to do this better, please leave them in the comments. It's fine though, because I love learning and learning new things like this for me is just all that and a fresh bag of sticky notes. Today, I'm learning this so that I can connect with you to share what we're doing at the Agile Fluency Project and the learning that's available there. If you're an Agile coach, if you're trying to drive better outcomes for your clients, if you're trying to achieve the highest standards of professional practice that you can, then I invite you to check out our upcoming courses, particularly the Agile Fluency Facilitators workshop. There's a link for that in the comments. On that page, you'll find a description of the Agile Fluency Facilitators Workshop and the details about it and how to register. And you'll see other free events that we offer every month. So, and if that doesn't get you everything you need, please check out our Contact Us form. That way you can ask for more information, ask us questions, or request a cozy chat with me to discuss the match between your goals and our programs. I enjoy those conversations so much. You can also sign up for our newsletter. Again, the website link is in the comments, and I appreciate you for watching.